Okay guys, this is another vacuum cleaner, Bissell powerforce helix. So it's a really big vacuum cleaner. Previous one was a little bit smaller. I bought this again. Let's unbox the box. I got the user manual as usual first time, and then another smaller brush for sofa and car seat. And the same brush, handy brush, which was included previous to vacuum cleaner. Let's see what's more inside the box. This is the handle. It's the same in the first vacuum cleaner which I opened, already unboxed. This is the same handle and it's the same size, but just a hose pipe is different. This one and first one is the same, and just a hose pipe is different with the previous one. This is the hose pipe, very flexible, and vacuum cleaner is also bigger, so definitely I'll keep it. So finally, this is the vacuum cleaner. It's really big, so it will be great for my home. Now I'll connect all accessories with the vacuum cleaner and I will try it. So thanks for watching.